ओके हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल. आज मेरे साथ ना इंडिया के जो टॉप नॉच यूजी के कॉलेजेस हम जैसे कहते हैं उनके बच्चे हैं. एंड आई एम इन ऑल्टेरा बाय द वे, एंड आई एम गोना आस्क सम टफ क्वेश्चंस टू देम. ठीक है, कैंडिडेट रखेंगे एंड बट बी ऑनेस्ट विद योर आंसर्स. यू फ्रॉम जय हिंद, यू फ्रॉम मिटी बाई, यू फ्रॉम जेवियर्स कोलकाता. तो नॉन इंजीनियर, सो नॉन इंजीनियर राइट? सो अच्छा, सब मेरी बिरादरी के है. सो नॉन इंजीनियर्स में ना ये कॉलेजेस इंडिया के टॉप 10 टॉप 20 में आते हैं फॉर श्योर. अब रीजन हम ये कर रहे हैं बिकॉज यार देख, सिंपल सी बात है, मोस्ट ऑफ द जैन का बच्चा लोग, मिटी बाई एंड जेवियर्स वाले, दे आर मोर कीन टुवर्ड्स ज्वाइनिंग ब्लैकी या फिर IIMs, SP Jain, ZFMS, XLRI, yada yada yada, right? And then I meet you guys, you are in Altera, राइट? तो कुछ ना कुछ तो रीजन होगा कि आपने ऑल्टेरा ज्वाइन किया था, राइट? बट बिफोर दैट आई हैव अ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. मेरी वीडियोस देखी थी कि नहीं?
Of course, yes.
How was the experience?
So it was very informative.
Right.
Somewhere convinced me for making better choices.
Nice. Thanks for that. So now let's come back to the main question.
Yeah.
कि so basically you are like fresher,
Yes.
all a fresher. And Altera का जो MBA होता है वो 1 साल का होता है. So अब में ना एक नया कंसेप्ट आया कि फ्रेशर जो है वो 1 साल का MBA कर रहे हैं. आइडियली कैसे होता है कि एक वर्केक्स वाला बंदा 4-5-6 साल काम करने के बाद 1 ईयर MBA के लिए जाता है. तो अभी फ्रेशर्स 1 ईयर का MBA करने को आ रहे हैं. तो क्वेश्चन इज कि भाई शादी जल्दी करनी है या पैसे जल्दी कमाना है? What was the reason?
पैसा जल्दी कमाना.
ठीक है.
डेफिनेटली इट इज द मनी एंड मोर ओवर ऐसा एप्रीहेंशन रहता है कि I should do a job first and then do an MBA because job में you get a lot of experience. Initially मेरा भी यही thought process था, but when I saw Altera's page and I read through the curriculum and it was very hands on. So when I joined Altera, मेरे को ऐसा कभी feel नहीं हुआ कि ना I'll lag in like making new skills or building on new skills. And that was never a question in my mind when I joined here. तो वो skills part जो तुम job से build करते हो, I thought कि वो any which way यहाँ पे हो जाएगा. So that was the reason like I chose to not do a job and then directly join in.
But ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए कि जैसे आप टॉप नॉच यूजी कॉलेजेस से आते हो, राइट? तो आपको ऐसे नहीं लगा कि चल यार 2 साल काम कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा वर्क एक्स कर लेते हैं, मे बी IIMs के लिए चले जाते हैं या फिर कुछ बेटर tier 1 कॉलेजेस को हम टारगेट करते हैं. So because that's what a lot of people would do, right? And a lot of people listening to you, आप ही की generation है, same age group होगा, same colleges होंगे, maybe your juniors are watching this, right? तो they want to understand कि यार अगर मेरे seniors ने ऐसा कुछ decision लिया है तो उसके पीछे क्या राज है या फिर उसके पीछे उनकी thought process क्या है? They might learn something new from your side, right? So anything you want to make a mention, Apurv?
Sure. So मैंने actually ऐसे ही करा था. What I did was post college, post my UG, I worked in my family business. 2 साल काम करा, but उसमें लर्निंग उतनी नहीं मिल रही थी एंड आई थॉट कि अब अगर मैं इसी में लग जाऊंगा, आई कीप डूइंग इट एंड आई विल नेवर बी एबल टू डू समथिंग ऑफ माय ओन और अप्लाई दीज लर्निंग्स मे बी लेटर. वो बहुत लेट भी हो जाता. इज व्हाट आई फेल्ट.
सो माय क्वेश्चन इज, जब फैमिली बिजनेस में आप काम कर रहे थे, तुझे कहाँ लगा कि यू आर लैकिंग, कि यार ये मेरे से नहीं हो रहा, ये मेरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा, ये शायद से ऑल्टेरा में आके मेरा गैप फिल हो सकता है?
सो हमारा ट्रेडिंग ऑफ मिनरल्स था फैमिली बिजनेस. वहाँ पे I diversified the business into a new stream which was fertilizers. वहाँ पे I had to negotiate with a lot of customers, a lot of clients. But वो conversion बहुत ही कम था. Plus I was feeling कि मेरे दिमाग में और कोई ideas नहीं आ रहे हैं या I don't know how to market my company to the clients. So वहाँ पे वो मुझे gap दिख रहा था कि I should know more about marketing. I was also inclined towards marketing पहले से. So that was a big gap. So that's why I chose Altera कि they'll pour in me the skills required.
Okay, perfect. Coming back to you, what was your reasoning?
So the one thing why I didn't join other colleges, maybe because the world is dynamic, it's changing very fast. The other colleges were providing traditional MBAs. That was more theoretical. Like I have my friends in different colleges, and the thing is,
which colleges?
So they're in Great Lakes, they're in MDI, they're in NMIMS. So they're like, it's very much theoretical there. Like, but what I am getting to learn here is the practical knowledge. Like we are getting to learn from the industry mentors. They are in the industry. They are right now. They know what's happening in the industry, and they're so approachable. They're so chill. Like I can any day go to them and even ask about some even if it's a personal problem. Like I also want to go back to my family business and all.
I know. I'm on the campus and I saw there was this one faculty was having his food. And 2 people barged into, sir, मेरे को ये doubt है, मेरे को बता दो क्या doubt है. But they are very approachable, no doubt about that. But you tell me this, when you speak to your folks from different colleges, ऐसा क्या चीज़ है जो तुम्हें लगता है कि यार ये बढ़िया सीख रहा हूँ, और ऐसा क्या चीज़ है जो उनके लिए मिसिंग है? कैन यू हेल्प मी अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट?
I think from the practical aspect only, like they are learning the 4 P's like product, price, place, promotion. We are actually applying that. Like we have our BYOB projects in which we are actually
Be your own brand, no?
Yeah,
Build
build
your
your
own
own
brand.
brand. So
Tired हो गया मेरा तो।
so that's what like we are actually launching a product. Like everybody of us, like everyone is doing that one. Everybody is launching one product. So yeah, like we are actually applying that. Like it's a very good learning. Like it's always different from what we learn in the from
और इसको थोड़ा सीरियसली लेना, बिकॉज फ्लेक्स करना चाहेगा। बता क्या कर रहा है ऑल्टर में, क्या फोड़ रहा है, बता।
So I'm a fresher and I was like term 1 के end में I was the first in my class. So yeah.
Awesome यार, awesome.
Yeah.
Academics बता दे, 10th 12th graduation.
So 10th में it was 85%. Nah, 12th में it was 95%. Then my UG I scored 9.13 CGPA.
Ooh, super.
Yeah.
Good yaar. Very
Yeah.
good. Coming back to you, Apurv.
Sure.
Anything you want to add into this?
Yeah, so I would like to add examples. For example, हमारी एक मॉडर्न सेल्स की क्लास है, उसमें हमें प्रैक्टिकली बताता है कि हमें क्या करना चाहिए। नो थियोरेटिकल ज्ञान, हमें असाइनमेंट्स मिलते हैं कि वीडियो बनाना है, पॉडकास्ट बनाना है, and how
Oh, is it?
yeah,
Yeah.
so we need to apply whatever we are learning, and वो हमें क्लास में कुछ पढ़ाते नहीं है, वो हमारे
ऐसा मत बोल भाई। क्लास में कुछ पढ़ाते हैं।
पढ़ाते हैं as in, कुछ थियोरेटिकल बहुत ज्यादा उतना नहीं पढ़ाते हैं।
हाँ, ऐसा बोलो।
There's always application to
It's
whatever
always
we are
हाँ,
doing.
Yes.
हाँ यार, ये बात सही है कि आपके यहाँ पे एक भी बुक नहीं है,
हाँ,
Nah,
that is true.
there's no-
मतलब
एक भी बुक नहीं
एक
है,
भी नहीं है।
फिलिप कॉटलर वगैरह
No,
कुछ भी नहीं है।
Nothing, nothing.
सीरियसली?
Yeah.
तो आप कहाँ से पढ़ते हो?
We study from the decks. Like so basically हमको जो भी पढ़ाया जाता है क्लास में, we are uploaded. The decks are uploaded on LMS, and we have to like also interpret and like write our own notes. So there's one class that happens. It's on e-commerce, and उसमें सर हमको decks भी नहीं देते हैं. So it is fairly on the notes that we make. And whatever we are
Interesting,
learning in the
तो
class.
एग्जाम में what do you guys do? I mean like एग्जाम क्या होता, क्या फंडा क्या होगा फिर एग्जाम का?
एग्जाम में they ask us what we'll do on job.
Yeah.
Simply that.
It's all case study
Yeah.
based.
Case
Like they
study.
give us
Right.
situations.
तो पन्ने नहीं भरने हैं?
कुछ पन्ने नहीं।
इनफैक्ट हमको बोला जाता है कि पन्ने भरोगे तो मार्क्स नहीं
हाँ,
मिलेंगे।
like
और तुम लोग तो भाई ये जेवियर्स वाले पन्ने भर
That is
देंगे।
right.
बस बोल दो 4 पीस 4 पन्ने भर देंगे उसके ऊपर। आई नो नॉन इंजीनियर्स काफी सही होते हैं इन सब चीजों में। नाइस। तो यू टेल मी, व्हेन यू इंटरेक्ट विद योर फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम अदर कॉलेजेस, राइट, क्या फीडबैक मिलता है? मतलब तुम तो बात तो करते होगे कि भाई मेरे यहाँ पे मुझे ये पढ़ाया जाता है, आपके यहाँ पे क्या पढ़ाए? I know sometimes you must be talking. तो क्या, what are colleges they are from?
So I know friends from SIBM Pune.
No, SIBM Pune. I'm just kidding. Simpi, alumni. Anyway, go ahead. So you've got SIBM Pune. What else?
NMIS Mumbai
NMIS
and
Mumbai.
others. I have relatives from
colleges.
NCLRI as well.
Flexi. Go ahead.
So उसमें what I understood from their conversations, practically from now, most of their learning comes from the summer internship and any group work, club work they are doing. And most knowledge that they get in class is more of theoretical, which they will hardly use in their jobs. So that thing is, I think, something I wish I took a good decision by coming at Altera.
And you guys have cracked like what, CAT, ZAC, and MAT.
So yeah, I scored 92 in Snap.
Nice,
90s,
not bad.
yeah.
तेरा CAT में कितना था?
CAT में 90 था this year
Hmm.
and Snap में 97.3.
Okay, good यार. Now coming back to the $1 million question. एक साल के MBA freshers ने करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए? और आप क्यों कर रहे हो?
जी, मुझे तो बेस्ट चीज ये लगती है कि you get to spend just 1 year, so you don't have to spend 2 years, less money and less time you have to put, and the ROI you will get is more. So that is something कि वो मुझे अपील करते हैं quite good. And freshers को भी I think so जो clear हैं, जिन्हें job ready होना है, जिन्हें skills सीखना है, schools like Altera are the best place to be.
What's your take on this?
So yeah, I completely agree. So my plan is to go back to my family business. So what I see there is right now, a lot of decisions happen by gut feeling and experience.
What's your family business?
So my dad deals in he's a jeweler, gold jeweler. Like we deal in gold and diamonds and all.
Can
of
you
this.
do MBA?
Yeah, I think it is very much needed right now because now it's very dynamic. I want some marketing to be there. I want data analysis to be there for better. You know, it's always changing. Like you can't predict now. So yeah, that is why, and it's a 1 year thing. Like I think it's the best thing. Like in a year I'll be free. Like
but they'll make sure that you feel 1 year as well. Like it's 2 years.
Altera years के according हम लोग का 2 साल हो
Right.
गए. So yeah, I'll gain some experience and then I'll go back. So,
Nice.
yeah.
Nera, what's your take on this? Yeah.
So like, see, any which way people who want to do an MBA, they will eventually do an MBA. Even you do it post your job or you do like 2 years in your job. And you know, after graduation, like doing an undergrad, you will realize कि ना बहुत gap है in terms of your skill and what you are trying to apply during your job. तो अगर तुमको ये चीज़ की realization है, then why not do an MBA before doing
अगर
the
है,
job?
मैं ऐसे मेंटर में कहूँगा बहुत सारे बच्चों को रिलेशन है भी नहीं.
हाँ.
Honestly, so please continue.
So like during our undergrad itself now, you'll like most of the people realize कि हमको इतनी चीजें सिखाई ही नहीं जा रही है
सही बात है.
जो you know जो skills needed होगी when we'll do our job. And अगर adding on to the fact that if you have a realization, then why not learn the skills and like bag a much better job that you could have had gotten
Right.
just doing
Right.
your undergrad.
Right.
And 1 year to adds because you're saving so much of time and then ROI factor and then always of course the skills you are learning will multifold when you like come to the
And
college.
by the time एक 2 साल वाला बच्चा जब MBA करके निकलेगा तब तक आपको post MBA एक साल का
Yeah,
work
एक साल का,
experience.
yes.
You can switch also. You can
Yeah.
actually double your salary. You know.
Hmm.
But यार एक question मेरा है. You all are Gen Zs, right?
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's like, what the hell, no doubt.
It's the older 1 year.
यार मुझे एक बात बताओ, आपको ऐसा फोमो नहीं हुआ कि यू नो आई एम जॉइनिंग ऑल्टेरा, प्रीटी न्यू बी स्कूल, फिर फैमिली वाले क्या कहेंगे, मेरे फ्रेंड सर्कल में क्या कहेंगे, पीपल आर रनिंग आफ्टर आई एम ब्रांड एंड यू नो बड़े बड़े कॉलेजेस, IMTs एंड टैपमीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एंड सिम्बासिस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. आपका थॉट प्रोसेस उस टाइम पे क्या था कि मैं ये ज्वाइन कर रहा हूँ? बिकॉज देखो यार, मानो या ना मानो, फोमो बहुत लोगों को होता है एंड मोर देन खुद के लिए लोग ज्यादा सोसाइटी के बारे में सोचते हैं. राइट, हम ये भी सोचते हैं ना कि यार मेरे मम्मी पापा बोलेंगे मेरा बच्चा IIM से है तो कॉलर टाइट होगी, तो आई एम श्योर आपकी फैमिली ने भी इसमें सपोर्ट करा होगा.
Right.
तो थोड़ा सा बताओ, बिकॉज जो बच्चे आपको देख रहे हैं वो आप ही की एज के हैं, बट मुझे ये भी पता है कि नाउ जेन ज़ीज आर आल्सो नोन टू डू डिफरेंट थिंग्स, यू नो,
Yeah.
खुद के डिसीजंस खुद लेते हैं. जैसे इसने काफी यू नो प्रैक्टिकल बताया कि सर गैप है, बहुत सारे बच्चों को गैप पता भी नहीं चलता. बट नेवर माइंड, सो टेल मी कि हाउ डिड द डिसीजन हैपन?
So like adding to the cool factor, मतलब
Cool factor,
yeah.
हाँ.
So like
बोलो.
all if you will notice Altera's web page, you will it is screaming that it is cool. Like this B school is cool itself, and the things that it is teaching you, and it will put you on places that मतलब इतना exposure मिलता है, वो itself is a cool factor. मतलब ठीक है, I understand कि having a IIM tag is cool itself. But abhi ka cool is what you know and the skills you build. That is more cooler now. Like a lot of people don't even know about the roles that come to our college. Like camp क्या होता है, founders office क्या होता है, ये सब बहुत लोगों को पता ही नहीं होता है. And that's like digital businesses, like coming from like digital first careers, हमको यहाँ पे like opportunity मिलती है. वो सब outdate हो गया है. Like in the sense वो सब outdate नहीं हुआ. Those are the new things. उसके जो पुराने like basically relationship management roles and sales marketing roles वो सब outdate हो गया. So this is the new cool now. I think वो जो factor of like in having a IIM degree से
It's not only
cooler
IIM,
is
it's
this.
like tier 1. I mean,
हाँ,
not
tier
even tier
one.
1, tier 2, जो टॉप ना जो जाने माने कॉलेजेस
हाँ.
जो हम डे इन डे आउट सुनते रहते हैं. अच्छा, anything you want to add?
So yeah, adding, I think she covered everything. But adding to that, like, have you seen the campus? Like, it's so cool. It's like a 5-star top-notch campus. Like, we also have a sleeping.
I got this US University वाला feel थोड़ा सा.
Yeah,
because
like
of
we have
the
sleeping
corridor.
pods here. Like, if you want to
Oh,
sleep,
is it?
yeah, we
Yeah,
can just
there are
go and
beds, bunk
sleep there.
beds.
Like, they have bunk
Seriously?
beds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
सोने देते हैं लेकिन ये लोग.
मतलब lecture के बीच में
lecture
attendance
के-
कट जाएगी, but you
साइलेंट
can
रूम भी है ना यहाँ पे, मैंने
Yeah,
सुना
Silent
है.
there's a
is a
silent
silent
room
room.
as well, like where you can go.
उधर
just-
क्या करना है, जाके मेडिटेशन करना है.
नहीं, just बात करना है, अगर just you want to make a phone call, it's a bit crowded here, like people are just talking and all, so you can just go to the silent room, you can take a call and you come back, and it's very cool here. Like I do love it. Like Jai Hind jitna like it's better. Yeah.
Okay, cool है. Couple of more questions on your way.
Yeah.
How's the peer group by the way?
Okay, so this thing I wanted
तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि यू नो केतन सर ने खाली अच्छे अच्छे बच्चों को इंटरव्यू किया है ना, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. So tell me how's the peer group?
So like see, honestly the community in Altera is very good. मतलब you are struggling, he is struggling, he is struggling, but they'll still help everybody. मतलब मैं equally डूबी हुई हूँ in the, I'm equally underwater, but I'll still, you know, bring you out of it. So it's like that. And
Yeah, that was just so
people,
candid.
the environment is not at all toxic here. There is no बेफालतू का competition. It's always healthy competition, and everybody is looking out for everybody.
Good, yeah. I think छोटा batches also helps ना.
हाँ,
Yeah.
it does.
And I think यहाँ पे there is no placement committee.
so no politics.
Again, placement मिलता है भाई, but placement committee managed by student.
हाँ,
बहुत अच्छी चीज है. Because वो फिर वो फालतू का politics नहीं होता यहाँ पे.
Yeah.
Which is good, yeah.
Yeah,
I
it's
think
very
it is
good,
good,
actually.
right? Very nice. Now, last question for the day. A lot of folks, a lot of Gen Zs, you know, they're given CAT. किसी का अच्छा गया, किसी का नहीं गया, etc. etc. Now they're looking for some, you know, they've got good comp skills, they've got good resumes, but just one day,
yeah.
CAT नहीं हुआ, and now they're doubting themselves कि भाई मेरा कुछ नहीं होगा. You might be in that situation a year back, right? क्या चल रहा था आपके दिमाग में उस टाइम पे? And on that basis, अगर आप इनको कुछ गाइड करना चाहोगे बच्चों को, तो आप क्या गाइड करोगे?
So I think first time you'll give multiple exams. You'll see कि मेरा crack नहीं हो रहा है. So you'll see कि why do you want to actually do an MBA? Do you want to do it for a job? Do you want to upskill? Do you want to upgrade? In my case, I wanted to upskill. तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे ISB नहीं मिल रहा है, IIM नहीं मिल रहा है या TAPME और KGSM whatever. My goal was to upskill. So I chose B schools जहाँ पे हमें skills सिखाए जाएं. उसमें Altera was the best that suited my need.
Because of the curriculum.
Based on the curriculum and the feedback or of the review of the college.
Understood.
So that was really cool and really great. So since I needed to upskill and यहाँ पे पूरा job ready आपको बना देता है. So that's why I chose it.
नहीं ना.
So like as you said कि बहुत अच्छी profile होती है, people are very good communicators and orators, but that one day, I mean, I think somewhat that happened with me as well. But then I would want to say like you don't get disheartened. It's because कि एक one day cannot define how your, you know, career trajectory should look.
यार
like.
40-50 years का career होता है, one day
हाँ.
तो नहीं decide कर सकता. You
It
have to
should.
keep hustling for that.
It should not. And like see, I mean obviously a CAT aspirant will want to back the big ones. But if you are not able to because of one, you know, unlucky day in your life, there are a lot of options like Altera available for you. And moreover, you know, somewhere in hindsight, I sort of realized कि it was the best decision I made that I came here. Because maybe the exposure and the practical learning जो मेरे को maybe कोई दूसरे कॉलेज में जाकर नहीं मिलती, वो मेरे को यहाँ मिल रही है. And those skills that, you know, like I like being communication or being the soft skill that I've built here, वो शायद I wouldn't have been able to build in maybe some other school. So I would say कि don't get disheartened, and there are multiple options available, and like just try to explore. Don't restrict yourself because उससे opportunities तुम खुद के लिए ही बंद कर रहे हो.
Cool है. Anything you want to add in?
So yeah, like similar to this only, like when I came, I wasn't very much sure, but when I came, like when Alex sir told me,
That's it. We call our mentors by their names.
So yeah,
Cool है.
when Alex sir told me about how the things goes, like it just convinced me so good, and I was so happy. Like, thank God I came, and when I also came, I'm the youngest here, so I was very
Oh, is it?
underconfident. Yeah, I'm the youngest.
How old are you?
So I just when I came here, I was 20. I turned 21 a couple of months before.
अच्छा.
So I was very underconfident here, but yeah, like now I can see the confidence. I'm doing good things, and I know that this is gonna help me my job as well.
Very nice.
So yeah, it's just the best decision I think.
Cool है guys. तो भाई देखो ये था इनका स्टोरी. You know, टॉप यूजी कॉलेज से बच्चे आए हैं. अब इनकी स्टोरी है, इनको ये सही लगा, इन्होंने ज्वाइन किया, and they're very happy. They're smiling also, right?
Yeah.
You now need to understand what's going to be your story. You need to understand your whys, and you can hit them up on LinkedIn. Also, you can speak to them. मेरे बच्चे अगर करेंगे मैसेज
Sure,
तो
sure.
100%.
because you were also watching my videos last time. तो भाई देखो मेरा काम है आपको बताना, but yeah, take a calculated decision. But अगर आपको e-commerce वगैरह में चलना है, this is the best place that I can say. And that's it from our side, guys. Thank you so much for giving some time, and
Thank you so much.
thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you.